What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now for today I am going to show you how you can remove emoji from photos. Now this is going to be very quick and easy, so let's do this. So first here, open up a web browser and go to a website called Annie Eraser, and let's click on the first link in the result. So it should take you into this website. Now once in here, let's tap and try it online. Now here, all you have to do is upload an image. You can click this upload button here, or you can also just drag and drop your picture in here. So I open up my folder here and I will just drag and drop my picture. Now here we have this picture with an emoji of a star, so let's go ahead and try to remove this star. So let's adjust the brush size. Now for this one, it's quite a big area to cover, so let's set the brush size to about maybe 75, should be okay. Now after that, you will start to paint the area where you want the emoji to be gone. So let's paint this area of a star right here. So let's just quickly fill up this star in here and paint it until everything is covered. Now after this one, just go ahead and click on remove objects now, and it should remove the object in no time. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.